everybody, it's My Healthier Me. We got our worms. We're opening the box to see our worms. Let's open it up.
And open the box. Okay. Here we go. Here's our worms.
Pull them out. I wonder what it looks like. Ooh, it's a bag.
Huh.
A big bag of worms. They're not going to like the light, so we'll have to dump them in quick. And then shut the lid.
If I can open the thing. There we go.
And then here's the bin, which has the bedding and the food and the soil.
Want to see worms?
Look at the little guy. They're hiding from the light. To go right in.
Put them in. They don't like the light.
Let's dump them in. I'm going to shut this light off. Wow.
You want to put the lid on right away.
Let me see them in the video first. Okay, put the lid on since you're dropping it. Okay, so we just dumped the worms into the bin, and they don't like the light, so you want to dump them in and put the lid on and leave the light away, and then they'll find their way down into the bin, and once they're settled, I think it takes a few days, they'll start to eat. And so at this point, if you find your bin is too wet, add some more newspaper without dampening it, and then we're going to be stirring the bin probably in a few weeks, and that's just to rotate and keep the moisture moved around, and we'll add some more bedding at that point. So we'll do another video then. So there you go. We've got the video about how to make the bin, we've got the video about how to dump in the worms, which is the easiest part, and then we'll do another video in the future. So peace and love, everybody. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Hi, worms.
Bye, worms.